I'm going to show you what you need in your hurricane kit when a storm is heading your way. Most important item is water. Make sure you have 1 gallon of water per person per day. Stock up on food. Have a 3-day supply of non-perishable food. Choose food that require no refrigeration. Have copies of important documents sealed in a waterproof bag. Set cash aside. Make sure you have a first aid kit. Refill on medications. Stock up on different types of batteries and flashlights. Now you want to make sure you charge all of your electronic devices. Use a power bank. It's a useful way to charge your phone if you lose power. And conserve your phone's power by turning on the battery saver mode or reducing the brightness on your phone.